vontade, senhor.
Muito obrigado. All right, so welcome in. We're over here at 1058 Sandalwood Lane in Milpitas. I'll be your open house hosting 1 to 4 on Sunday. Please come in. I have a free raffle that you can actually join. Or you can actually put a free raffle in. It's gonna be $100 for Amazon gift card. Amazon gift card, $100. I was gonna do a gas card, but I decided if you're gonna let your vehicle, you don't want no gas card, you don't have any interest in that. So I wanted to make it something that was universal for everyone to have. Today we got some Castle Rock Winery. Actually got this at Trader Joe's. It's from Monterey, Rosé of Pinot Noir. Let's see how that is. Smells kind of nice. Does my cameraman want to try it too?
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes. Let's get a little pour for it.
Oh, wait. Wait, seriously, where's the TV?
There is no TV up.
Wait, there's no TV in this one?
No TV.
Wait, no TV?
No TV. No, there's no TV. You can install one once you buy the house, but right now there's no TV. We only do seating areas. We never put a TV up. Are you okay?
Yeah.
So it's 4:30. And, why is it better than the rosé?
It's more full body.
More full-bodied?
Full body, yes.
Bebes, posso mais? Oh, pouquinho mais.
En ik heb ficar bêbado.
Oh, you're in the wrong house. What does bêbado mean so the people at home can know?
Drunk.
It's a nice way of saying drunk. Come and see me, and let's have some wine together. Salud.